Yep. Let's see. Make sure everything works. Except we need a little bit of something. Wait. Okay. Let's get ready to rumble. What what is going on here? Making sure everything works as expected. Holy shit. Gosh. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, yeah. But good. Alright, I need to grab this invite to server. Never generate copy. Good. Mm, 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 mm. Nice. Let's have a look. Oh my god. Boys, guess what? We are so back. You feel me? Bro, we didn't stream yesterday because I had some problems with my internet. Apparently, a bird hit the pole that my internet was on. And so it just broke it. I don't know how that is even possible. Yo, IK. Uh-huh. Yeah, man, the stuff is fixed, bro. I'm back, man. I just started my stream even.
See, the guy is happy.
Hello, depressed, hello.
Calm down, calm down. Life is not that, man.
Easy. No, just no go tarde su the stream.
Yeah.
Alright, all good, man. Yo, boys. So, as you guys can see, man, you were playing chess today. I was watching. Oh, for sure, bro. I was cooked today, and my internet was terrible, bro. Like, I swear, when I played all the chess games I played today, my internet was so trash. Yeah, so these people just came to fix it some minutes ago. I mean, not minutes, but like something like 30 minutes ago. Yeah, but it's fixed now. I'm glad at least, bro. We are so back now. We're so back. Yeah, my internet was so trash, bro. Just look at all of these games, bro. I lost all of these games with some trash internet. I wasn't even focused. But it is what it is, you know. Because we are good thing is we are still in like I think we are still at 700 if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So two more games and we shall be back to 600, which is what I don't want. You get it? So that being said, I think today we're gonna start the stream with a little bit of chess, maybe one game of chess, and then we continue with the bug fixes. So I think that would make more sense for me. So my brain can be at least alerted. You feel me? Aditya, my brother, how you been though? Bro, you can tell we missed day 20, right? But still I had to just like keep the thing is it chronological or organized, something like that. So that's why I just decided to just continue with 20 and yeah, I could have gone with 21, but it is what it is. Yeah, I get the point. Oh, okay. I see the confidence. I see the confidence, my brother. I see the confidence. Yeah. I we could just throw a check here, but I really don't think a check right now. Wait, yo, is this a checkmate, bruh? This guy's cooked. Yo, is this okay? Is that checkmate? Is that checkmate? Is that checkmate? I thought this was for a sec. I thought that was checkmate, but he can defend it. I thought that was for real. For a second, I thought that was checkmate. But oh my god, bro. Cause bro, there's some funny checkmate, right? That I was able to do with only the bishop, bro. So I blundered my queen, and then somehow the king was like with no space at all, and I just checkmated the person. I just laughed, man. Yeah. It was funny as hell. It was funny as hell. So that's why I thought it was like the same setup. I was like, yo, am I tricking? But yeah, I just want a castle, bro. Oh, hold on. I don't want to like lose this pawn, so I'm first gonna protect this pawn. Last 20 games I played, awesome, 17 wins. Oh, that's tough. Yo, that's actually tough. All right, I'm just gonna protect this. Just gonna protect this. 17 wins is crazy, bro. Hmm. 17 wins is crazy. I don't even have like 17 wins. I think maybe are they consecutive like back to back wins? I don't have a knight. He's just gonna check here and that's it. And I'm just gonna play here. Yeah. Actually, he's doing himself a disservice by just keeping his king here. I mean queen here, and not like developing his other pieces, which is good for me because guess what? Look, I almost have like most of my pieces like ready. Look at the bishop is ready. This is I need to protect the. That's true. I need to protect the pawn, but I need to do it in a way where because right now it's him playing, so it's definitely gonna take this with check, right? And I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna get the bishop out here. Oh, he didn't actually try to do that. So let me just protect my pawn with this, and then I just castle. And let's see what he's gonna do next. Mm-hmm. All right, now this is just getting out of hand. He wants to take this, I take, and then he takes a check, and then I have nothing. No, let's go. He's now it's just starting to annoy me. I'm not gonna lie. All right, let me just castle. So now I'm going to push here. Actually, I'm thinking about pushing this pawn, but if he takes this, I take with the queen, right? And yeah, I think that will make more sense. But first, let me put this in here. Yeah, let me put that there, right there. Oh my god. Dude has nowhere to go, bro. I think we are cooking, man. I'm not gonna lie. He just finished his development. We are already attacking. And yeah, I guess we are doing good. All right, he castled, right? Which is crazy because castling, what did castling do? Did it help him in any way? Not really. He has castled already, and it's fine. Let me first see how I can approach this from here. From here, I think I just need to start attacking now. So let me first get my bishop out of the way, and let's see what he has next. Yeah, I think you are behind in the stream, bro. I don't know how. Wait. Oh, maybe it's my. I think it's my mistake, right? I don't know. I don't know. You could be behind. Actually, I wanted him to push pawns around around the king. So I mean, around the king, yes. So I think now I have a nice move. I have a nice move. Not actually a nice move, bro. Let me see. I'm gonna go here, right? If he pushes here, I'm just gonna take. Yes, I'm gonna take with the pawn instead. Nice. Good. I'm just gonna take with the pawn. Let me see what he's gonna play next. Now I'm attacking the queen. Look, look how somebody just blundered his queen, bro. God. God, these guys are funny. Somebody just blundered his queen straight. That was the first thing he did. Blundering the queen. Oh. Oh, but I don't wanna blunder my queen as well though. You feel me? So let me be extra careful. Let me be extra careful before I blunder my queen too, dog. Oh, I know a lot of people just play this game like fools. This dude is funny as hell. Let me just go here, bro. Dude just blundered his queen. First thing. And protect this pawn here. First thing he did was blunder his queen. His pawn. Oh. I love that, bro. I knew it. I'm like, this guy. Soon as I just go here, he's gonna blunder his queen. Oh my god. I guess look, he's even still pushing pawns. He's still pushing pawns, dog. I don't know what the hell is going on with bro. But hey, I'm ahead in material, so I don't mind trading. I really don't mind trading. But hold on. I think I have the knight though. Am I tweaking? Hold on, I think I have some good game. I can take the knight, right? If it takes my bishop, I take this a check. And what else? So I want to have a nice game. I think I should save my bishop, bro. Yeah, let me first save my bishop. Let me see if he'll save his knight. Yeah, let me just attack his bishop with my bishop. Let me trade them. Let me trade them. Let me see if he'll take that trade though. Yeah, he took the trade. Nice. Let's go. Hmm. Okay, he's still attacking my other. I don't understand what this guy is playing, bro. I completely don't understand this guy. All right, let me. Here's the thing though. What this guy is trying to play, he wants to like move this in here, attack my bishop at the same time attack my. But that won't happen, Brusky. Oh God. Yeah, I'm just gonna go here, right? And he will probably go here and attack my bishop. So that's a problem. So I don't want that to happen, bro. That being said, I think yes, if I go here and he plays somewhere here, I take this with check. I don't know why your stream is buffering today. I have no idea, my brother. That's sad though. Okay, no problem. I really want to play some good game, right? But I don't know how I'm gonna finish it. Okay, I'm just gonna go here, right? Yeah, let me first go here. I think he's probably gonna play here, right? Maybe here or here. If he goes here, I take this with check and he has a problem. Nice. He's trying to trap my queen, bro, which is just very annoying. Oh, I can now check him here. Good. Hmm. Hmm. I have another check right here. Good. He has to go here. Nice. Do I have any other check? Nope. Any other check will get me in trouble, which is what I don't want. All right. Let me just go here. All right. Attack that. Bro, I really need to get, I need to get my rook out, man. This stuff is starting to it's starting to irritate me, bro. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Aha! We have a checkmate loading. Anything stupid that he plays will get him mated right now. All right. So he's actually like, this guy is on some crazy attacking mode. So let me just go here. All right. Is this helping him? I don't think so. Hmm. Bro, this guy is cooking, bro. If only he did have this pawn, it was gonna be made. But that pawn right there, yeah, that pawn is just it's a big threat to me, bro. But now this pawn is gonna be unprotected, which is just annoying. Okay, I think I can still protect my pawn like this. Nice. Yeah. He's actually playing, bro. Like this dude is playing. He's actually playing, bro. And if he doesn't remove this, he's toast. I don't. Where can he take this rook though? Nowhere, I think. Nowhere. I think he can play here though. He can play here. But then I'm gonna remove this. I wanna remove this rook and go and just trade the pieces out. This guy is starting to irritate me. Or maybe just take. Oh no, I have to bring the rook here. Yes, I'm gonna bring the rook here and then mate in here. Let's go, boys. Okay. He's still attacking this stuff though. Alright, I'm gonna let him attack here and let's see. Should I give him that? Should I give him this? And then I threaten checkmate here. I think that will make more sense, right? Yeah. I'm thinking about like threatening checkmate. What do you guys think? I'm doing great, man, FBI. I'm doing great, bro. How about you? I'm trying to threaten this guy, but I'm oh my god, I have like a minute on the clock. So I'm just gonna go here. If it goes down here with this, and then I'll just take. Bro, if this guy just goes blindly to take this bishop, he's toast. If he just goes to take that bishop, he's toast. Real toast. Yo, this guy is actually cooking. I swear. Dude is cooking, bro. I don't know what the hell this guy is cooking, but he is cooking. So I need to figure out how to torture this guy. For some reason, I feel like he's off, like He's outplaying me, bro. And I do not have time. All right, let's go here. I don't have time, bro. I really don't have time. Nice. Let me see. He took my bishop for free. Ooh, wait. Oh, shit. Bro. Oh my God, bro. Ah, man, I'm cooked, bros. I'm cooked. I think I'm cooked. No, bruh. What are you talking about? Queen A3? Where? Which fork? Which fork are you talking about? Good. I think I have a nice game now. I have a nice game. Very good. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, I'm confused right now. Bro, look at this fool. Would you look at this fool? I think he has to go here, right? He has to go here. Oh my God. Good. Uh-huh. Nice. Nice. Oh my God. Nice. Oh, bro, I have to sacrifice something. Oh my God, I've lost this game. I've lost the game. Oh my God, I've lost the game, bro. Whoa. Bro, what's going on with me, man? Yo, man, why the hell did I play like this? Ah, man, shit, bro, I'm so slow. I'm too slow, bro. Look, I was supposed to go here with check here. Oh my goodness, bro, I missed this shit. Oh Lord, this is check here and it's over. It's over. This was made, bro. Like, oh, what was I thinking? Jesus. Yo, this was. I missed bed. Like, I literally missed it. What? How is that possible? Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, bruh. Bro, this is man annoying, bro. This is, oh my god. Yo, man, they're giving me black again. Here we go again, bro. Let's just go, man. Scandinavian defense. Let's see. Oh, bro, it's all good, man. It's all, it's just, it's all good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's all good, man. It's all good, bro. I don't know what the hell this bro is playing, but yeah. Should we go here? Should we go here? I think we should go here, then just push this. Alright, let's just go here, bro. Let's not risk anything. Okay. Let's see. Ugh. Mm. Oh, I think I have some nice sacrifice idea here. Okay. Is this guy not gonna be baited, dog? Okay, it's not actually gonna be checkmate, but yo. That was gonna be crazy. If only I could get rid of this. Okay. Uh if only I could get rid of this, right? Hold on, let me just go here first. Let me see what he's gonna play. Okay, he actually, I don't know. I don't want to fumble my queen, bro. So, I don't want to fumble my queen, dog. I don't want to fumble my queen, so let me trade with caution. Let me trade with caution. Alright, I don't want to lose my queen, bro. All love and all good, man. Hey, I just saw your message. I missed Rasa. How do you? Hey, man. Hey, bro. I have to say my apologies, boys, because we didn't stream yesterday, and at the same time we were like, I don't know, bro. We were just stressed, and we started off the stream in a bad, in a bad attitude with a loss. Who's supposed to win at least? You feel me? But it happens, man. It happens. It happens. Nice. So now that I've gotten rid of this defender right here, all I have to do is just find a way to, yeah, I think, let me see. Okay, man, this guy, he has so many guys in my half of the board, but I need to do something about it. Wait, bro. Just by moving this guy alone, I was going to get some crazy discover check. Oh, God. Yo, bro, I was going to put myself in some heavy toast. Yeah, for sure. I'm thinking about trying to win a pawn or something. I don't know, bro. Where should I go from here? Okay, I think how would oh no, this is not gonna help. How about trying to chase this away from here? It might help. Oh, dude said if you take, I will take, and so rather than you taking, why can't I just attack this other bishop? And I continue attacking this. So now there are two things under pressure. The bishop is under pressure. This is under pressure. Everything's under pressure today. And he said, let me just attack anyways. I don't care. Oh, his queen is toast. No, no, no. His queen is not really toast. His queen is not really toast. Jeez, I thought his queen was toast for a second. His queen is not really toast. He's actually doing fine, I guess. All right, let me see if it's going to take let me see if it's going to take that. Because I swear to God, as soon as he removes the rook from there, it's over. I think that's a nice trick, right? The rook is the only one that's stopping me from taking his queen. Soon as he removes the rook, it's over. So he has to sacrifice. No, 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 no. Look at that. Would you look at that? Oh God. Would you guys look at that? I don't want a free night. I want the queen. Toast! Toast! Would you look at that tactic, bro? That was tough. Yeah. Oh my god. Should I go for it? Oh, I should text him. Should I text him? Should I text him and be toxic? Because obviously you know that the bishop is like 3 points, right? And the rook is four. So obviously I was still gonna be up a pawn. But now he decided to give me his queen for free. Yeah, yeah. His queen for free. This stuff might he resigned. Nice. Nice. Good one. Yeah, the rook is five. I kinda, I that, that was just super good. At least we got our 8 points back. Bro, I was so annoyed, bro. The other loss was just devastating. Check out I said you this kid. It's a tactic you missed the other last game. Okay, let me see. What's the tactic? What did I miss? Okay. What's that? Oh, I actually missed it with the skewer. Here, the pawn, check, he has to go. I take the rook, and I was winning. Ah, yeah, I didn't see it. I really didn't see it, man. My bad, bro. Oh, sometimes when look at my time, dog. Look, don't tell me in 30 seconds you're about to think about all of that. Let's just be honest. You feel me? My brain is just fried. Like I'm just thinking, I'm like, God, what should I play next? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, for real, for real. Yeah. Thanks, though. Thanks. That was a nice one. Anyways, I think it's time to get back to the grind. So, let's put in a timer for the day. Let's start with like a 25 minutes timer, and let's talk about code for a little bit, for some 25 minutes. Let's see what we have on the table. So, as you guys know, yesterday I completely changed everything up and a few changes, a few things that I did when I wasn't on stream, which is now we are using app.filthlink.store and it works perfectly fine. As you can see, we are still logged in. Our information is still there, and we can even grab the API. I mean the links, and we can. Let me just grab this link. Let me say share this, and let me go in here. Why is this stuff is still behind, bro? What? Shouldn't be behind. Yeah, it shouldn't be behind. Nice. So now I can go in here and just say create link, and I can create this link, and boom. Now we have that link which is here. We can just grab this short link, and as you guys can see, boom, we are getting redirected straight. And notice how fast it was, right? Yeah, for sure, man. Ah, man, we shall do that. We shall do that. After the 25 minutes, we shall go again for a 10 minutes game. Man, I want to get to 1K, man. I don't know, my boy FBI. How did you get to 1K, bro? It's just super hard, man. For sure. So now redirect they all work, and as you guys can see, we are using HTTPS filter link the store, and this is our short URL. Now, bro, look at the difference between this long URL for YouTube. Let's go to Excalibur so we can compare them now. Oh my god, I'm super excited, bro. Let me show y'all. So, what's going on here? I actually just wanted the URL, bro. What the hell is all of this? I just wanted the URL, broski. Copy, paste. Bro, why can't it paste the URL? Bro, why can't it paste the damn URL? Anyways, fine. What was that? Okay, maybe for chess.com, maybe this one makes sense. Let's just use the one for chess.com. All right, boys, would you guys look at this? For chess.com, it's not that long, obviously. Yeah, bro, I don't know, man. 1,257. I'm struggling for half of it. Somebody saying stick with one opening for white and one opening for black and keep repeating them non-stop and don't play after you lose. Once take a break. This is how you keep going. For real. Oh, that's tough, man. That's tough. Okay. Let's go here and let's try to again create a short URL for this one. And let's just grab this and say, okay, this is the latest link that we made, and boom. Now let's compare them side by side. Like, let's just be honest, boys. Let us be honest, right? Don't you think this is short? Like, don't you guys think this is short? Even if I zoom it all the way out, you can see that obviously this one is like, they are not like the same scale, obviously, but at least you guys can see HTTPS, that means it's secured. We have filter link dot store, and then these are the 6 characters after that. We have I60 MWI, and this redirects us to this game. So let's just try to get it and see if it will redirect us there. Works very well. T-shirt google.com. Okay. Let's see. Let me see. Is google.com long, bruh? Is it google.com? Is it long? It's not. So google.com looks like this. Let's go in here and paste google.com. Right? Obviously, we want to remove this last all right, so this is google.com, and our platform is going to shorten it. Let's go create another link. And yeah, so boys, here's the thing. This is what we're gonna do, right? Today, what we're gonna be doing is we are first going to fix the monthly payments subscription, and then after that we are going to polish the UI. After polishing the UI, we are going to now add the admin part of the platform, so that we can just incorporate roles based or RBAC, which is roles based access control, so that only admins can get access to the admin panel. That in the admin panel is where we can see how many users do we have. Let's see, just monitoring the platform in general, monitoring and control, that is part of software, you know I think design principles. I'm kind of forgetting my theory, but you get a point. What's up, chess player? Chris, man. Chris was popping, my boy. How you doing? I'm not a chess player. I'm a developer. You feel me? I'm a developer. Stop calling me chess player. Yeah, but I love chess too, so whatever. I'm joking. How you doing, man? Okay, look. Hey, man. Wait. Is our platform? No, it can't be shorter than google.com, right? Google.com is way too short. All right, not bad though, but at least, So let's see. At least we have something short that people can use literally. And the good thing is this is the only part that you have to send your users. Like literally, if you just come here and just click this will take you to the same thing. You get it? It just does the same thing. You don't even have to include this HTTPS. You get it? I think that's something that we need to do. We need to actually eliminate the HTTPS part so we don't have to use it. By the way, 100 links per month, too much for the free plan. Yeah, man, I need to like get it down for real. I need to, we did not like harness the entire platform. At the moment, we have just like open, it's like open wall for everyone. But we are going to tighten the nut on everything, and that's what we're gonna be doing these days until maybe the end of the month. Cause yeah, if you miss, let's see. Go to his website. He sent it on Discord and make an account. Yeah. It's a URL shortener, man. How do you use it? Just make an account. It's very easy, man. Uh, yeah, there you go. There you go. I don't got my Discord device right now. Okay, no problem. The link is there. The link is there. Yeah, just click on the link. It will take you to the application, and you can use it. Yes, sir. So the free plan, we can probably make it like 30 links or maybe 20 links a month is fair. And then the rest, we can like add other things around the application. But first, we also need to incorporate it to our main platform. So speaking of our main platform, can we just fix our main platform? Because at the moment our main platform is down. So I don't know if I go to Filthy Store, I mean not Filthy Store, but Daddy Bucket actually. Um Daddy Bucket dot store, it is down at the moment. Is it down? Well, it kind of works. How? I thought it was down, wasn't it? Am I tweaking? Wait, how? How did it work? It shouldn't work, right? 20 links because 30 links per month is literally 1 link a day, and that's already enough not to think about a paid plan. Facts. My boy actually has a point, and I like that. Hey, for some reason, my platform is not working, but that's another thing to debug. So, such a good mod. Yeah, man, my boy, bro, I'm telling you, my boy FBI is cooking, man. Like, I don't know, bro. You guys need to appreciate my dog, bro. He's really cooking, man. He's really cooking, bro. All right, let's see. I need to really do something about this. So let's go back to the platform and see. For some reason, how about if we leave out the HTTPS part and we have destinations here? We also need to include we need to include the maybe the platform images, right? Like maybe they're icons or favicons. I think icons would make more sense. But this is like a little bit, I don't know. Hmm. Why is it expiring? This is status. Okay, soon as it's created, I don't get it. Let's first refresh this and see the clicks. All right, every each has the protocol, right? Yeah, it's the protocol though, but the concept is like this. Whether or not you include HTTPS, as long as you have this, as long as you just have this, it will automatically take it as the protocol. HTTPS will be like the initial protocol. You don't even have to include it. But I think let's first try this out. It will. I'm saying in the platform, right? In the background, we already know that it will have to include this, but somehow, you see, here's the thing. Let me first try this on Safari because I don't know if this is just like a Chrome thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You see, now I can just throw this without any HTTPS or whatever. The browser already know that this is a HTTPS, as you can see. So that's why if we go right now to tiny URL, not tiny URL, but Bitly. If we go to Bitly, if you go to Bitly and we go to links, you see something very important, right? Look, have you guys noticed what Bitly is using? Bitly is using up.eh, and we are using the same thing, up.this. Y'all get the point. Now, this is to avoid Next.js because Next.js uses app router. So anything that is going to be something like filthy-link.store like this, Next.js will consider it as a route or a page. So if we just leave it like this, we shall be redirected to a 404 not found page. So the only way to like go or how do I call it, go around that is to create a separate subdomain for the Next.js and then just leave the base uh, endpoint or the root URL or the root endpoint to be for the redirect. And that makes the redirect very short, but the platform itself can just remain on app.this and then the backend can be on api.this. So different subdomains. Yeah, I get the point, right? Is in creating short links free? No, it's not really free. If you go to Bitly, you can only create up to around I think 30 short links, and then from there you have to you have to like buy or some pay for the plan. So there's a certain limit for how many links you can create using any URL shortener, and that's how web, of course. Now look at this. We have this Bitly, right? Have you guys seen that they don't have any HTTPS on what you can copy, but on the link itself there is HTTPS, but you guys don't get to see it here. So at the back of the mind of the users, they'll think, "Oh, this is actually a damn short URL, right?" And you will actually send it to users like this. It will actually work. Hold on. For some reason I can't see. Let's just go to Bitly. Let me copy this, and let me go here. Let me paste this here. For some reason it's including HTTPS. I don't know how that is even possible. That shouldn't really work, should it? Hold on. Let's first try this thing, boys. We can see this is actually like one of my type bits. Bitly doesn't have this, but if when we copy this, it somehow includes it. I don't know. I'm getting confused. I'm getting confused right now. I'm getting a little bit confused. I don't know. Are we on? It's probably copying the representation of your hyperlink, which will include the HTTPS. Yeah, I think, like really. But look at mine though. I can literally copy this and paste it in here. Even if we go to Bitly right now, I mean this one that we got from Bitly, let's just paste this. You see that this is actually with the HTTPS, but let's remove the HTTPS and let's click. It will still take us to wherever. This is the stream, right, for day 19. So as you guys can see, I don't know. I don't know why. That is very strange to me. But nonetheless, let's just go to our plans and let's have a look at how Bitly operates using the short. As you can see, we have, look at this. The links shortened, then there is collect 10 clicks or scan or whatever. I don't know to get like a new click. I mean, a new shortened URL. Aha, look. Bitly is literally only giving us four short URLs. Five actually. Five. And we are giving out 20. That's crazy. That's actually crazy to me. I don't know. I don't know about that, boy. Well, we're not yet at the level of Bitly, obviously, but like it's easy to compete in this field, boys. Like I swear to God. It's easy to compete in this field. Plus, this is just gonna be an added income towards our like bigger goal. So it's not really a big deal. Okay, no problem, man. Have your dinner and have fun. You'll always catch up with us. No problem, my brother. Hey man, guys, consider liking the stream, boys. If y'all are enjoying the stream, let's get it. Okay, what else do we have to do now? Okay, let's have a look, boys. We already have this in place, right? We have this. So I have a question. I have a question that I need to like get out of AI. And I don't know if AI will really understand me, but let's first try to ask that question. Let's say something like, so I have a URL shortener application which is already live and up and running, but at the moment, my like for the URL generation, it generates the short URL as with the HTTPS slash of two forward slash and then filter link dot store. Now I'm thinking if I want to send that link to users or to potential, like whoever I want to send the link to, do I have to include the HTTPS protocol as well, or just send them a filter link dot store and it will automatically get rerouted to the official, I mean, to the original URL? What do you think? Is the HTTPS very important in the URL at the moment, or the browser will just predefine it by default? Just let me know. I'm really confused at the point. Okay. I think this is fine, right? Good. All right. Let's see. Let's see if it really gets that. Yes, the HTTP product is important technically, but for users, you usually don't need to explicitly include it every time. They are these are all effectively fine in modern browsers. Oh, let's go. Why is your name here, Emma? I just realized. My name is actually Emma. That's my real name is Emmanuel, you know? Emmanuel, that's my real name. I think you guys know though from my GitHub. But Emma is like the short form of Emmanuel. Like people call me Emma, just like Emma EA. You just ignore this Noel and you just go with Emma. Don't use free AI, bro. You can get a subscription for $2 Codex. Why are people talking about Codex? What's going on with Codex? What's going on? People are talking about Codex a lot. What's the Codex? The browser is the AI browser? I'm not really. I don't know, bro. How is it $2 a month? I have no. I have no idea. Bro, I can't lie. A lot of people just say that to me. I don't know if that's true though, but for us, Emma is just like a boy's name. Yeah, I don't know. I'll check that out. I'll check that out, my boy. I'll check that. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. So let's see. Modern apps, browsers, Discord, WhatsApp, Twitter, Slack, Telegram will usually auto detect the domain and prepend the HTTPS automatically. The important part is that your domain has valid SSL configured, so HTTP redirects to HTTPS. The shortcode resolves correctly. So your setup, this is completely correct. Recommendation in your backend or database, always store the full canonical URL, and then yes, and then in your UI marketing display the cleaner version. Yes, sir. So now that we have that, I'm just gonna say, okay, so now explain that to my AI agent so that it can cater the UI or just design the UI in a way where it omits the HTTPS but it leaves it in the backend since it's just pulling the data from the backend at the moment. So yeah, just get me a nice prompt that I can give to my agent to get that done. Let's go, boys. You me. I'm not gonna waste time. This is a front end thing, so I'm not really gonna waste time. So it's basically anti-gravity. Yeah, it is just anti-gravity, and we already have it. So let's see. Update the short UI rendering behavior. Right now, the front end displays the full what is this? Canonical. How do you pronounce that word? Hold on. Canonical. How do you pronounce that word, bro? Canonical. Meant canonical. Canonical. A common typo is canoni. Oh, okay. The word has two meaning. Canonical means configuring a general rule or acceptable. Okay, orthodox behavior. All right. Return on the backend, including the protocol. I want the UI to display a cleaner, more modern version by omitting the protocol in visual context only. This important constraint: do not modify the backend response format, do not strip or mutate the actual stored URL. Keep the full this internally for redirects, copy, share actions, and all of that. So it's purely representational. Oh my god, I like the way AI went in depth with this, bro. Codex is like the king. I have 5+ accounts running all day. Bro, you wait. I don't know what these guys is Chris is yapping about, but let's be honest, Chris. Bro, what are you building that you need 5 goddamn plus accounts running all day? That means you're not even coding because there is no way you can convince me that you completely giving all your attention to like 5 things running at the same time. That is completely dumb. And you actually not being productive. You're just being insanely overstimulated by AI. All right, let's see. Let's get open code to handle it. I feel like open code has like some good models that can handle that. So let's create before we do that, I need to just first create git. Let's go and say git checkout. Instead of main, I need to check out to a branch, and this branch will have a feature called maybe we can say short URL, or maybe omitting HTTPS, or let's just keep it as omitting protocol, right? Omitting HTTPS. Yes, this is a good branch name. I don't care what you guys say, bro. Now let's go back to open code and let open code handle this. So we have this. Let's paste that. Let's get to work ASAP, bro. 90% of code nowadays. I create a template, task acceptance criteria, and let it run. 90% of code nowadays is AI generated anyway. Well, I love problem solving. If you take it away, I don't even enjoy working on it. Man, this is a big thing. Okay, here's the thing, brother. If you're doing front end work the entire day, I don't mind. Just use AI. If you're like in the back end trying to understand the logic, it's better you let AI explain to you and then you do it yourself. And if you cannot do it yourself, at least you should be able to tell what it's doing. That's just what I'm saying. You get it? I'm not telling you don't use AI, but at the same time, you're not just gonna let it run on autopilot without knowing what it's doing. You get so Yeah, you guys are man. Chris is really cooking these days. I don't know. I don't know what Chris is on, but he's cooking. He's on to something. All right, let's see what's going on. So it's actually going through everything, the code base, the structure. Another thing is, boys, we got Docker ignore and we got Docker as well in here, Docker file, but we are not using them at all. Well, bro, what's going on in all companies? They're all using AI all day to generate code. Yeah, of course. It happens. It happens. Wait, what? What's going on with the QR code? What's with the QR code, bruh? Wait, I saw something about QR code. Am I tripping? I'm seeing something about QR code, and I don't understand why there's QR code there. And is QR code a front end thing or a back end thing? I don't know. QR code React, QR codes SVG. I don't know about the QR codes thing. I didn't tell AI to like create any QR code. So I think AI is really going off the script now. Off of the script. Huh. Hmm. They will ship more products on average per year, but the slop will never be on the same quality. Who's Feria Holmos? Who's that person? I've been hearing that name. Oh, 20 our 25 minutes is gone, but we can just revive it. Let's just give ourselves like maybe another 25 minutes. Like let's just get most of the functionality down and we can just continue. After this we can have some chess, you know? So let's go and see what's going on. I want to understand what the hell this guy is doing to my code base, and I'm kind of not understanding what it's doing actually. And I don't know what's going on. Display strip protocol. It just says full URL. Copy. Still copies full URL. Okay. Table cell displays this. It should have an external link. And for some reason, I saw QR code. So wait, I saw you added something about QR code, but it wasn't in my um app before. Why did you add it? And we don't need it at the moment. We don't really need the QR code at the moment. We shall add it as part of the features that we shall add to the platform. So I don't know. I didn't have the QR. It was already in the components before I touched the file. My only changes were this. Okay, let's say I remove all QR code related stuff. We need to get rid of all of the QR code. It will be part of the features that we shall add, but we don't need them at the moment. AI goes better, but only in the mundane tasks that has no creativity. Like it obviously will code an algorithm better than you, but when design and architecture decisions are at stake. Yeah, I think, man, and a lot of people don't even understand that. But here's the thing, though. My take is like this: do not worry so much about what AI can or cannot do, or focus on what you can do to help the AI or to just get better with AI. You understand? The motion and this for the frame motion relations, the copy button still uses them. All right. So now that is out of the way, let's try to test out the application locally. Can we test it locally? Not really. It won't happen. So let's try to push this. Let's just try to say git. I mean not git, but run build to make sure everything builds as expected. And My boy said, okay. My boy said 2 hours of real work and the rest is chilling. So bad. Telling me how to abstract a renderer, for example, how do event-driven design. Oh wait, there's even event-driven design in in game I mean engine whatever you call it. Is there like event-driven kind of stuff? Something like that. Okay, let's say at the moment, right? The motion and this. So I have a question. We are currently hosting on Vercel. Check the entire app and see if all is met and ready for deployment. Although later we shall shift to a custom VPS. So if need be, we can prepare for both scenarios, right? Scenarios. I have a doubt on how I have a doubt on how did you add perplexity to your browser? Is it an extension or a search engine? It's actually perplexity on on this thing. What's the name? It's called Comet. It's called Comet. It's a browser that is built by Perplexity, but it is built on top of Chrome. It's running using Chrome engine. It's Chromium based. But at the end of the day, it is like very, very nice. It's too fast, it's super lightweight, is very memory efficient. It runs as smooth as butter. It is AI powered. You can do a lot of things with it. You can click the assistant, it can really like do tasks for you and stuff. I'm starting to feel like I'm advertising for them, but you get a point. Of course, let's say a renderer wants to know if a camera moves, it updates a renderer frame. A camera move event would be dispatched and the renderer catches it. So if it never has, okay. So event-driven architecture. It's almost like RabbitMQ and Kafka and all of that. Makes sense. So yeah, you just produce events and then the consumers eat or consume the events. Nice work. So let's see what's going on. Permission always allow. Let's just let it read our local. Um, it doesn't matter. Thanks for your info. Yes, sir. You're welcome. If you like that information, consider joining our Discord. We have a lot of things to give. Not a lot of things to give us in gifts, but a lot of sauce to give. Plus, my boy FBI is in the chat. He's our beloved moderator. He's a very good guy. He's always gonna, respond to your questions and all of that. So join our Discord. The link is all the way up there. Like the stream. Always pop on stream every day at 4 p.m. And let's lock in, my brother. Join the family. Let's get it. Oh my goodness, I should be a radio presenter, man. Are you popping? What do you mean by that? No. We're still around. We're still around. Calm down. We're still around. After this 18 minutes is done, it is gonna be some chess time. We're gonna play chess for like maybe 20 minutes. Get back to coding, polishing the UI and all of that. After that, I think we don't really have any deployment issues at the moment. Everything is up and running. It's all about the UI and a little bit of some bugs concerning what's the name? I'm kind of forgetting concerning the payment. That's something I'll look at right now. I think I should look into that as the backend is flowing. So let me just go into the application, look at why this payment is not working. So I'm just gonna click here. What the hell is going on? Okay. Is it my internet, boys? Is my internet tripping? Yeah, we had a little bit of dropped frames, which is crazy. Shouldn't have done that. I don't know why that happened. Let's go to uh, app the filtering the store, and let's see what happens. Okay, you just joined the Discord. Nice. Nice, my brother. Let's go, man. Oh, we have some changes that we need to push to the main branch. Let's just finish these changes. September, we can make a small competition who makes the coolest game in it. Lol. Yo, hold on, hold on. And speaking of game engine, is it going to be something like Steam? Are you trying to build something like Steam? Yeah. Speaking of the game engine, I'm not getting interest in game dev, bro. I'm starting to love game dev because if you use a C++, that means there's going to be some physics involved, right? There'll be some hardship involved, and that's why I thrive. Hmm. I don't know, bro, but let's first see. Let's first see. I don't know what's going on here. Reading all the remaining source files. Yeah, this is just doing way too much, dog. To view subagents. Okay, Control X to view subagents. Wait, is it Control X? Control X. Why can't I see the subagents? Control X plus down. Control X plus down. Control X plus down. Hold on, what? Huh? Okay, this, that, this. Oh, I kind of like this. Shit, this is cool. I think this is also, yeah, you can do this too. All right. Steam is a platform to share your games. Game engines are a platform to build your games, like Unity. Oh, Unreal Engine. Oh, nice, nice, nice. But I'm getting confused because how do you build an engine to build a game? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I think you're dealing with some complex stuff, dog. Jesus Christ. Let's go to app. Let's search it here. App dot filter link dot store. Let's go and see what's going on. Oh, look! Would you guys look at that? Just curious, is your name Emma or Filthy? My name is Emma. Emmanuel Francis. That's my name. Filthy is my nickname or my producer name, because I'm a music producer if you didn't know. Let's go. Up is a URL shortener for Filthy Link, a URL shortener SaaS application that you, programmer Filthy, are building and streaming on YouTube. Bruh, like I feel like these guys on the internet have a lot of information. Like, how do you know all of this, dog? Let's just be honest. How do you know about all of this? Later we shall add this. Yeah, it's very hard though. It requires a lot of generalization because it has to be able to support any kind of logic a user might want to put in their game. That's why initially we shall only support 2D games. Later we'll add 3D after my graduation. Oh, that's my brother. Let's go, man. 2D. We shall build a what's a 2D? Well, let me see an example of a 2D game. Maybe what Floppy Bird is a 2D game? Is it? We got URL shortness us up, and developer is programmer filthy with this much subscribers. Stream this. Oh my god, this stuff is cooking information about us. This appears to be one of your backend development projects, likely your typical tech stack, Java Spring Boot. Nah, this stuff has a lot of information about me, bro. Okay, nice. Let's go to the links. For some reason, it's just going for the YouTube one. But nonetheless, let's go to app.filter, load this. Let's try to see. And why is this not working though? It's taking forever. It is cool though. Okay, let's see what's going on. Hmm. Okay. So let's first see what it has done for everything. And Flappy Bird, Mario, Terraria, all these are 2D games. Pac-Man. Oh yeah, Pac-Man is a 2D game for sure. Let's see. The log file is bound and this Docker uses bun, which which should I remove for consistency? Wait, packages not a log. Um, wait, I don't know why. Uh, remove the JSON was leave. I mean, leave bun. It's the not npm. So let's see. No. I'm not. What are you guys talking about, bro? You have to sleep? Nah, it's not, bro. Here over this side is literally in what? 7. It's 7:10. Can't you guys see it up there? Or maybe you guys are having your own different time. Why your eyes red? Cause I don't get enough sleep, bro, and that's a big problem for me for sure. The layout forces dark mode, which makes the system toggle not to keep the dark mode only. No, enable team switching. Yes, enable team switching. Let's go. Nice. Uh, wait, what was my answer? Enable team switching. Good, bro. You're coding only 1 hour a day? Not really. I'm not coding only 1 hour a day, bro. You guys, you guys can see for yourselves. I always show up on stream. Sometimes I stream for like 2 3 hours, but it depends. The thing is, I want to at least, mm, I want to code for I want to only code for the time that I need to code in. If I can code in 1 hour, I'm gonna do that. But obviously, I'm not gonna code in like 20 minutes and I'm done. No, you feel me? But if we can code for 10 hours, so be it. For sure, bro. I do code a lot. I do code a lot. I do code a lot, man. And I'm trying to get better every single day. You guys don't know that I learn a lot with these streams, and it's also helping me because I get to talk to you guys. I'm a very verbal person. I talk a lot. Like even when I'm just seated by myself coding. Okay, so guys, so we have Docker Compose. I say Docker this run. That's how I just be. You feel me? So let's see. I think now we have a few things that we need to maybe add. So at the moment, I'm just gonna go ahead and add this to my. Let's go and check this git status. So these files were changed, all of these ones, and let's run the build first to make sure there's nothing that is broken. If the build runs, that means our main application will run. Plays just the rest of the day. Bro calls only 1 hour, plays just the rest of the day. Nah, you lying, bro. Stop lying, dog. Stop lying about them. Okay, let's push these changes. What am I saying? Git push. Am I dumb? Git have this. Let's generate a commit message from here. And we need to push this as a main branch. We don't have it, so let's publish that branch. And voila, we got it. Now, at the moment, as you guys can see, we have a origin that is that is just, I mean, this is ahead of our origin, so we need to go and first merge it to our main branch. And let's see. As you guys can see, bro, I want to keep this consistency and not this. Even if you see, guys, I was on stream yesterday, I still had something to push. I still had something to fix. So let's go here and see. A yapper? Who's a yapper? That's my specialty, bro. My specialty is just making sure I talk. So yeah, I don't. One, you guys obviously don't get bored because you guys get to hear my voice all day, and the other one is just keeps me very motivated. If I was just like, um, so guys, today, okay, mm, yeah, yeah, mm. You guys wouldn't enjoy this stream. So let's just be honest. Feel me? As a YouTuber and somebody who's, you gotta be smart. Deployment has completed. I don't know what the hell is going on here. We have some checks. The branch has successfully been deployed. We have a few changes. The latest updates on your project. Okay, nice. So all the checks have passed. Let's commit them. What's going on? We have some internet. Okay, no internet issues. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So now that is merged, we need to go back in here and see what's going on. So we have the changes for the day. Nice. So we have some changes for the day, but at the same time, we have some deployments as well. If we come here to like filter link, you guys will see something very important. We have some deployments here and very good. So let's go to Vercel and let's just make sure our application works and is ready. Okay, so this is ready, created 2 days ago. This should be deploying something. I think it's still building, right? Nice. So this is ready. If you click this, it should be ready in how many seconds? Nice. It should be ready. I think it is ready, right? We just have to click on here and see the magic. Yes, 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 boys. Yes. For some reason, this is in light mode. So let's just go to system. Nice. I kind of like this though. I like this idea. Oh, boys, did you guys see the numbers going up? You're deploying too much, bro. Of course, that's how deployments work. That's how deployments work. Okay, let's go back to the overview. I have a confusion and I need a suggestion. I'm doing my college second year and next year I plan to do internship. So my problem is that I don't know where to start. Where's your question? I'm doing my college second year, and okay, this is the end of your second year, and next year I plan to do internship. So my problem is that I don't know where to start. I'm currently doing artificial intelligence and data science as my degree. So should I go for data analyst or what should I start learning? I'm stuck and I don't know where to start. Okay, here's um like where my domain knowledge, right? From what I know is that computer science in general, there's data science, there is networking, and there is software engineering. So my domain knowledge is in software engineering, but I have some small knowledge in data science. Now, when you think about data analyst, are you like, are you just going to concentrate only on the data analyst part, or there's something else that you want? And at the same time, is your question about whether or not you should continue pursuing that degree? I mean, that data analyst role potentially, or maybe just try something else? Because I don't understand your question. I feel like you can do both of them at the same time, right? Yeah, you can start with data analyst for data science if you're passionate and learn Python, databases, and all of that. Yeah, for sure. At the end of the day, right, the main part of data science in general is all just you're dealing with data, right? Analyzing data, deduce, maybe you can find trends in the data, different stuff. Um in general, just you're gonna be dealing with data, and all of that will also allow you to maybe just use Python as a language. I don't know, bro. I'm just getting confused, but the question is a little bit confusing. Maybe my boy FBI can help you for real. Maybe my boy, but I would say this: continue with your degree and also do your internship. I don't know if it's like a out of college or off campus internship or it's on campus internship. I'm confused. If it's off campus internship, you can pursue them at the same time. I feel like you can agree with the people if they're allowed to hire you, then you can always set like, yo, I have my college from here to here and I can work with you guys from here to here. Is that okay with you? If that's not okay with them, look for something else, my G. If you're in your second year, you still have time. Don't rush. With your mindset, you're cooked in the next few years. Yeah, for real, bro. Chris is cooked, man. I'm not gonna lie. And he's always trying to infiltrate other people. Okay, we got light mode. Boys, don't you think light mode is nice though? Yo, did you guys think light mode is fire? Yeah, bro. Flashbang a lot. Okay, what is that we fixed? Well, let's go to links. Nice. This is what I was thinking. This is what I wanted, bro. Nice. Nice. Yeah, boys, look at this. If we copy this right now, let's just try to copy this latest one and we just go and paste it. You see that the link is still grabbing the entire thing. But in the UI, yeah, in the UI, it looks like this. Nice. Let's go, boys. Let's go. That's actually tough. All right, what's the next thing we have to do? Oh, so now that that is out of the way, how about API keys? Mm. I'll be out of business anyway. Okay, now remaining payment. Now at the moment this works, right? So good. The premium works, remaining the monthly one. So let's just go here and consider getting out of this. Let's say git checkout. Let's check out to the main branch. And now that we're in the main branch, let's just say git pull so that we can pull all of the changes. Nice. So we have all of the changes. And what's the next thing we need to now do? We need to now think about the payment, the monthly payment. So let's go here and let's click on monthly. Before we upgrade plan, let me open this console network and let me just reload this page. Also, I need to go to my Coolify. Let's go to admin.coolify and let's go to filter link and let's go to filter link server so that we can see what the problem is actually, where the problem is coming from. So we need to go to logs. Oh, boys, you know what that means? That is chess time. So let's first solve this problem and then go back to chess. You know, hear me? But other than that, we also need to like time our stuff. So I'm just gonna give myself around 10 minutes to fix this problem. If we can't fix it in 10 minutes, then we'll go play chess and come back and fix it. Nice, we got 10 minutes to go. All right, as you guys can see, bro, we've been having like successful. Yeah, we've been having successful deployments, but let's just try to fix this problem since we started it so that at least for the day we can have like some things done. Nice. So let's see. Okay, everything is running well as expected. I need to just go in here right now and click this. Click upgrade to premium since this bottom selector. I don't really like this button selector because for some reason it's a little bit confusing. You know, it's hard to tell if this is like monthly or yearly, and everything is so cramped. So we shall have to upgrade or polish the UI. But let's first fix the main problem, which is the payment, right? Let's click this, and we have a problem. So at the moment, we are getting server internal server error. That means we have some problem here, and I need to refresh this so that we can see what the problem is. Since it's internal server error, it should show us within here, right? I don't know what the hell is going on. I don't know what the hell is going on, bro. Why can't it show? Okay, what is the time now? Oh, this is 27th? 27th May, right? It's 5 p.m. Hmm. So we don't have any latest logs. So that means this stuff is not even reaching the backend. Hmm. What could be the problem, bro? Let's look at the console. Um, API error. Okay, there's some error here. And what's the actual error? I have no idea. Unexpected error. Oh God. For some reason, I don't get it, bro. Okay, so the error is here. Unexpected error path here, status code, and this is the error. Hmm. Bro, why didn't it reach our stuff though? I should have seen it, right? Can we leave this on errors? Let's leave out warning. Let's leave out information. Let's just leave this on errors. And I can't see any errors at all. Wait, is this stuff really reaching our database, bro? I mean, not our database. I mean, thank you for all your suggestions. And what I want to say is like, I wasted 2 years of my college after seeing you. I wanted to improve myself. So I asked where to start, get a job or internship. Start with the internship. That is literally the best, and it's like it's a thing that will get you closer to the job, and it will always improve your skills. So start with the internship. Internship, the people don't expect a lot from you, so you're just an intern at the end of the day. Whether you break things, they can be fixed. 9 times out of 10, when the internship is done, they can just scrap your code base. Like this, the companies are weird. Sometimes they just scrap your code base. Sometimes they leave it on there. But yeah, start with it. I'm building a URL, a URL. Yeah. Even me, bro. As you guys can see, I'm in my third year. I'm finishing next month, 22nd. I'm finishing my third year. But I wasted my first, second year. Literally just gone. But my third year, now I'm serious. You get it? So you can always catch up. I'm building a URL shortener, my brother. This is a URL shortener application. It's already like live up and running. If you want to try it out, I'll send you the link in a sec. Or you can check it in the Discord server. Is there. You can join our Discord. My boy FBI will always guide you. Let's get it. Okay, let's have a look at this. Unexpected error occurred. Hmm. That shouldn't occur. Let's look at our code base and look at the subscription and go to monthly. Monthly subscription, not actually monthly, but just the subscription part, and we look at where the error could occur and how we can fix it. So I really don't know why it's tripping, but it is tripping. Okay, let's go to I think it should be our payments, if I'm not mistaken. Services should be within payments, and it should be within checkout service. Nice. So within the checkout service, let's have a look. Not actually checkout service, but subscription service. Now, subscription service, what's going on here? Find or initialize. Return method is never used. I don't know why it's saying the return method is never used. I should just make it void because we're not using the subscription. I don't know. It's so tempting, man. Okay, let's just continue. So what's really going on here? Void or cancel subscription, find or initialize. So we're saying find by user ID. So we need to get the user first. After that, we say subscriptions because the subscription. Then we set the subscription to user ID. I mean the user ID, the user, we attach it. With that user ID, we set the plan as free and then subscription as active. And then the repository is saved. Oh God, it's a little bit confusing. Why are we getting the errors then? Could it be in the checkout service? Let's have a look. Customer, there is nothing wrong here, bro. Okay, could this be the problem? Within this default is unnecessary. We could just remove this, right? I don't know. Um, and see where they differ. Really, here's the thing. Here's the thing. The concept, the changes are not in the subscription because within the subscription here, this is the only difference, right? Monthly and yearly. Now, I don't know where we are using this that is causing the problem because this is where we're creating the distinction just within this case switch statement. The first case is monthly. If it's monthly, then consider the billing cycle as properties dot monthly, and if it's yearly, then consider the billing as properties dot yearly. So I think we need to look into the billing cycle. There's nothing really there that we can try to fix, and for some reason the information is not really reaching our backend, or maybe I'm confused now. Let's try to upgrade and see what's going on. All right, so here we are getting redirected here, right? uh I'm getting a little bit confused. So what I'm gonna do is let's just try to pass this information to our big brother, and let's ask how we can try to fix this. Let's just press here, say okay. At the moment I have a problem. The monthly subscription has a problem. It throws an error, unexpected error, and the yearly version or the yearly tier works very well. So for some reason, it is the monthly one is not working, and I don't understand. So could you try to walk me through everything and let me know where the issue could be coming from? Because even within my Coolify, it's not really showing in the logs at all for the backend. So I have no idea what's going on. I mean, these are the little things that just annoy me. I can't lie to you, and For some reason, I just can't figure it out because I have error handling in place, but it's just not. So I don't know, bro. I really don't know. Okay, let's just go back in here and try to see what's really going on. I'm just gonna remove this, go back to inspect, and go to the console, and let's have a look. Okay, the server responded with this. Okay, let's just try to upgrade. Okay, I think we clicked upgrade and it failed, right? Yes, so I'm just gonna copy all of this information, feed it into AI so that next time we know if something like this happens. Feel me? So let's see. Um, I could give AI more context, but let's just see what is going to deduce out of this. This almost certainly not a front-end problem. Yearly checkout works, monthly checkout fails. Same endpoint, same code path, same could be the problem. The missing environment variable. I think that could be the main problem. So what I'm gonna do, let's go back to let me go back to Dodo payments and let me try to see what's going on with the main product, right? That could be our problem. So let me just change this real quick, boys. Okay, excuse me, man. Y'all don't gotta see my stuff because this has something to do with like real life products that you can just copy their goddamn whatever and it just works, right? So I don't know. Let's go. Let's grab this ID and hopefully it should work if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let me go back to Coolify. Config government secrets. Yeah, man. I'm not allowing anybody to dox me here, boy. Calm down, my G. Okay, let's have a look. Monthly. I don't know if there was something wrong with the monthly. Oh, there was really something wrong with the monthly one. Yes, I see that. I think that could have been the problem. Okay, nice. The time you guys had the time right there, the timer, but that's good though. So I feel like, do we have to redeploy this after saving the environment variables? I highly doubt. So let's just go in here right now and try again. Let me just say this is forbidden. Why am I forbidden? I do not know. Let's click this and see. Unexpected error. Okay, let me just try to redeploy this for a sec. Just go back here. So let's just try to redeploy and see what's going on. So in the meantime, nice work, brother. I'll definitely check it out. Looking forward to building something together. Oh yeah, speaking of that, the next project that we shall be working on will be a group or a community project for all of us. It should be a nice product with some pillars, with some strength to it that will involve everything, microservices, whatever. We're going to put it all together. That's something that that's something that's in my plans. I'm thinking about building something like that, and then all of us can add it in our resumes. All of us can use it in our job applications. We can, if we make money from it, we are getting our money. You feel what I'm saying? So we're gonna be doing that. That's the reason why I always stay out to join the Discord because that's where we'll be vibing and chilling and kicking and all of that. Now let's see. Let's go to the logs. Make sure everything is running, up and running. Okay. I need to add a few things here in the logs. In the filters, I need to put info. So I need to know the information. Okay, maybe a little bit of debug and this warning. It's fine, bro. Let me just add all of them. Okay, so now everything should be running. I think if we go to deployments, not deploy. Okay, we could just click this. Is also fine. All right, so now it's doing a health check. It will try again. It will fail, and then the third one will probably succeed. Um, yeah, the third one has failed. The fourth one might succeed. Okay, not might. It will definitely succeed. Okay, the fourth one has failed. The fifth one won't fail. Yes, the fifth one won't fail. Let's go. I got it on the fifth try. So I think the next thing to do is to now check our application, and I'm gonna just sign out, right? Let me just sign out, and let's just go back to Google and let's go with this. Uh, let's get logged in. So now we are logged in. We are logged in as expected. What is left? Settings. Go to monthly and click this. Yes, I told y'all. I told y'all I was gonna get this shit working. I told y'all I was gonna get this shit working with a little bit of AI help. Y'all not playing with us, we getting shit done. All of us, we cooking in this room with us, let's go. Let's go, let's go. We cooking, boys, we cooking. So that is good. That is done. That is in place. Anybody who's new here and is not joining the Discord, what are you doing? You want me to punch you, bro? Let's just start from there. You want me to punch you right now, bro? Can you fight, bro? Can you can you fight? Hmm? Hmm? Oh my goodness. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, twins. Yo, what's going on with my green screen, bro? Why is it trying to like disrespect me, brother? Come on. Damn. Join the family, bro. Let's go. Let's freaking go, bro. Yeah, my green screen is just bugging. I don't know what's going on with it, but yeah, it is what it is. Boy said he can eat me alive. Yeah, I'm using a green screen. You didn't notice? Boy, you thought I was living in this apartment. Are you okay? No. My green screen is bugging, dog. No, dude thought this was my crib, bro. No way. Yes, imagine. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I like y'all, man. Let's pop. Let's go. Okay, so now the payment works. Anybody has $10 to try? Hey, don't go and try. Don't go and try, please. Okay, don't waste your $10. Just don't waste your $10 unless you genuinely wanna buy the subscription. Go ahead and get it, but if you just tried it for trying sake, don't try. My country name, I'm from South Sudan, man. I'm from South Sudan, the land of dark skinned people. We are too black, man. We're too. Oh my goodness, did I just expose my? No, no, no. Those are not the life products. Don't worry. Those are. Yeah, no refund policies, bro. Soon as you drop your $10, we shall tell you thank you for your $10, brother. Thanks for your ten. And speaking of $10, I I normally show this whenever I'm streaming and trying to show people something that is very important. I have something here that has been with me since, I don't know, this $1 bill has been with me since, and it is a reminder that at some point you will go broke to the point where you will only have $1 to your name. You feel me? You get it? So if you do not work hard, if you don't grind, you will only have this. So that's the reason why I keep going, bro. This is a big reminder. So just know, always find something to keep you accountable, or just always remind you of something. Once I land a job after graduation, subscribe to all your products, bro. Currently, no problem, no problem, my brother. Come on, bro. No worries. Yeah, you can test it out. You can test out the application, man. Yeah, you can test out. The link is up. The link is up in Discord, man. I don't know why you guys are not on Discord. I haven't seen any new person in the. Oh, okay. Let's go to welcome. I think they probably, yeah, we've welcomed a few new people, which is nice. We got my boy Dud, my boy Emperor has joined us. So nice, bro. Join the Discord. Always come and say hi. We got a lot of people in here chilling. That's our brothers. Let's get it, man. The link is somewhere. I think. Yo, FBI, drop the link in the promo section of the Discord. and always people can just check it out on there. All right, let's go. Let's have a look at what else. We are done with the deployments. We don't have any problem again. Monthly, yearly, they all work nice, nice and smooth. We have a subscription. I kind of like these numbers animations thing. I don't know if you guys have noticed it. So I think for today we are done with 99% of the work. So yeah. So tomorrow we're going to be doing UI polishing and a little bit of maybe tomorrow we can continue with the RBug, implementing the admin panel so that we know how many users we do have in our application, what the users are doing, and stuff like that. And later, yeah, we are up and running. So I don't want this behavior where I sign out and then I'm redirected to the login page, login stuff again. I should be in the I should be in the landing page, not in the login section again. So let me just let AI handle that. I do not have time to handle that. So I'm just gonna say, hey, whenever whenever we log out, redirect to um to the home page, not login again. All right, let me just handle that real quick, bro. I don't have time to handle that for sure. That's like a minor inconvenience for people that just want to log out and then they don't want to just log in again. You feel me? So yeah, it's just a simple thing that they can just replace, and yeah, that's all. Done. The protected route. Instead of login, it just goes to no auth and no token. So yeah, that's all. I think that is that. We just need to just add this. I'm gonna add this actually to the main branch so that it just does the deployment ASAP and we don't have to waste our time. Now, I don't want to like whenever we whenever we just make a slide feature, it just we have to deploy again. I'm thinking tomorrow we shall also add a preview branch that is also a deployed version of our deployed version. I don't know if you guys get the point, but then that would be a preview version only that we shall only see our changes before. Like if everything works in the preview version, then we can just merge it to the final version, and that's something we shall do tomorrow. So other than that, let's go. Yup, let's go, boys. So for today, I can accept these deployment issues, and let's just stop this and go and check Vercel out. Let's remove this as well. Go to Vercel. Let's monitor some changes in here. Let's go to deployments. We shall have this building. Yes, it's building. After building, since it has already a perfect build, I think it will just consider the already, I won't consider the already built version, which is nice. So it's ready, as you guys can see. We have a few warnings, but they are not things that are like very, you feel me? Things like this will automatically update when new major stuff. Yes, I like the auto update. I don't want to update things manually, so I'm good with that for now. Let's just go. As you guys can see, boom, we have our platform sign in. Let me continue with Google and try out our feature that we just did, which is when we log out, we should just go back to the login page. Oh, this is nice animation. Let's log out. Nice. So this is the behavior that I wanted. I think we have that in place. So let's just close everything. And it is just time, my brothers. I don't know how long we've been streaming for. It's 1 hour. Nice. Let's do a little bit of a good stream today by concluding with some good chess games. Since we are ending the stream early, we should play some nice good chess. All right. So other than that, this is gonna do it. And the people who are new here, this is just like a norm for us that every time we stream, we do some heavy work, we do some games at the end of the day. So all work without play makes Jack a dull boy. You feel me? So I'm the Jack. But if you guys also want to check the code base, I'm thinking about open sourcing the entire platform, but it is not now. You get it? When we get to a point where it needs to be open source, I'll open source it, and then you guys can always check it out. And if y'all have things to contribute, you can contribute as well. But at the moment, it is closed source, like OpenAI. They say OpenAI, but it's closed AI, which is dumb, right? But yeah, that is all. We have our contributions for the day. Nice and sweet. Uh, should actually try to memorize just square names. It makes things easier. Yeah, for sure, man. That is something I need to, man. I think you guys have noticed that I don't know the names as well. I just be guessing. It's like, oh my God, where is A4? Where is D5? Where is D6? Where is F7? Where is it? I really need to learn that. So we have from, if you're playing black, it is the opposite. It's from 8 to 1, right? And it's from H. I mean, is it H? G? Is it G or H? Something from H to A, or from A to H or G? I don't know, but yeah, I will have to like get that in my mind for sure. Let me close that off. Make sure we are up to par. If you look at the edges of the board, it has the names written for you. Yeah, for real. I need to get that in my brain. So I think we are done with most of the application. Wow. Boys, can you guys believe in 20 days we finally cooked our second SaaS application? Can you guys just fathom that? This is like a full blown SaaS application that we are casually done with. The rest of the things are just simple UI changes that we can add. That's to show you the amount of dedication we've put in, bro. We started with backend, and that's the thing that I love. We started with backend, now front end is just easy work, easy peasy, bro. I remember when we had a hard time. I don't know with which feature. There's a feature that gave us very hard time. We were stressed for 3 days straight. I think it was deployments. We were stressed for 3 days straight. Now that I look back at those days, like, bro, I can't believe I suffered through that. That's cool though. So anybody who's interested in checking out the platform, you're welcome to try out in the section there. You can share in your links, and later we shall add other things like QR codes, analytics, like full blown analytics where we can track the geolocation, we can track the goddamn IP address, the device, everything else. So, but for now, let's start with the simple MVP. It's not really MVP because we have a lot of things in the, but let's see how it goes, bro. Anyways, that is out of the window. Let's go. It is just time. I want you guys to look at this, right? I have a challenge for myself. I'm trying to get at least to like 750 or 800 at the moment. That's like the goal. So if we can get to like at least 50% of the goal or meet the goal, then I'm good. The goal is 1000, but let's start with 800. You feel me? So let's try to win some games today. And yeah. And the other thing is, I love it when you guys also like focus. Y'all are locked in. You guys are not just watching like some TV show. Y'all are locked in. Cause chess is just like that, bro. It's all about locking in. All right, let's go. I'm gonna start with D4. That's like my favorite opening. I don't care what nobody says. What? All right, D4, knight C3. Yeah. On D4, knight C3. Let's go. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Bishop F4, right? Is correct, right? Bishop F4. Knight C3. Okay, nice C3, Bishop F4. Uh nice. Let's go. Mm. Okay. I'm excited, bro. The infamous opening. Yeah, 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 bro. This opening is this. If I take, right? You know what? I'm not gonna take with my bishop, but if I have to move my bishop again, then I've moved my bishop twice. But regardless, if I take this and he takes, then I have to move my bishop. Or I can't take though, because I cannot take back. So that's a problem right there. I don't know. I think it's safe to just get my bishop out of the way and let him just take. If he takes, I just take back and expose his king. But also my king will be exposed, which is crazy, right? But if he checks me, I can always just play a development move, which is always gonna help me. So let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Right? I'm thinking this guy. I don't know if I played poorly there though. What? What? What should I have played? Anyways, okay, he didn't take though. So that means I can play my favorite trick. If it's is he gonna fall for it? What's this guy's elo though? Let me see. His elo is 694. Nah, this guy's he's gonna fall for it. This guy's gonna fall for it. He's gonna fall for it. He's gonna fall for it. You feel me? He's gonna fall for it. Let's go. Boy, he's thinking he can't help. There is no way he can help. Well, he can. I think the only way is to just play here, to go bishop here and sack his bishop. But it's not really sack his bishop because if I take with the knight, he just takes back with the pawn or with the queen and he's good. Mm. Yeah, you see, I told you that was the best move to go. But it's still not gonna stop me from playing here. Let me see. Since I want a castle queen, king side though. All right, here's the thing. I'm not gonna remove my bishop from here because if it takes it, I want to open this file for my rook. So I'm gonna just play something else, which is a development move, and I'm not worried really about him. So I'm just gonna go here with my yep. I should have checked the king. Mm, he was just going to like push, right? And I win his pawn. Which pawn? Okay, let's say check. I can still check with the bishop, right? But really, I just want to open this. I want to open this H file for my rook. That was like the main point. And now that he has played that, I think I can still have some chances, right? Now let's see something. What if I check him here? What is he gonna do? He's gonna just push this pawn. But what else? There's nothing I can win from here. So if I check, he can just block maybe with the knight or block with the pawn because then the pawn will also threaten me. Hmm. Okay, now I have some good game. Let me first check him here. If okay, no. I thought he was gonna take with the pawn, but no. I was thinking if he blocks with the pawn, I take this, we check. He has to take with this. I mean, I thought he was gonna take with the pawn, and then I take his rook, but it's not gonna help. So let me not just suck my hmm. Let me not suck my let me not suck my bishop, bro. But there's only one place the bishop can go to though, which is here. And then I'm gonna take with the queen. Um, I'm gonna take with the queen. Oh, the bishop blocked the queen. Not bad though. Oh, are we really not having a good plan to go? Hold on. I think we have a good plan to go though. I'm gonna go here, right? And I'm gonna still try the trick. I'm still gonna try the trick. Let's see what he's gonna do. Let's go. We are still the same. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You see, I wanted to find a way to get my queen here. So now my queen is there. My queen is going to do the same exact thing I was going to do anyways. So now he has to really like, he's going to lose his right to castle and he's going to lose his rook and he's going to get cooked. Yeah, he actually played though. This guy is cooking. This dude is actually cooking, dog. Yeah, this guy is actually cooking. I'm not gonna lie. So that being said, I think it's time to just castle my king, or maybe just get my knight here, and then get my knight here, and then be knight here, knight here. If my knight is here, it's gonna be in trouble though, right? Yeah, I'm actually not gonna take this anymore because this is not a free pawn, by the way. You can take my knight, and yeah, my knight needs some support. But the reason why I want to just play knight here, I need to just connect. I need to. Yes, now I can get out of here. Good game though. He really survived this fork like this. He was gonna get fucked. So I like this. I like this move. Uh, I mean, I don't know what the hell is trying to get out of that. I'm not worried about this because if it takes here, I can take back. But if it takes here though, if he checks me here, I'm gonna get toasted. So, yeah. Yeah, let me just castle, man. Yeah, bro. I was going to actually lose this. You feel me? I was gonna lose this pawn, and I'm not planning to lose that pawn. So let's see. What else is he threatening? Nothing. So I have to go with my knight here actually. I don't know what the hell is threatening here. I have no idea. But my knight is coming to cook something. And is going to lose the right to castle. Very nice. No, no, not actually. Not actually. Not actually. He's not gonna lose any right to castle. But this guy is actually cooking, dog. This guy is actually cooking. Mm. This guy is actually cooking, bro. Uh, I want to. Then you'd have. Wait. Take his pawn with the knight. If it doesn't protect it, then you would have a discovered check. Where a discovered check. Where. Mm, okay. You mean I should take this pawn right here on h7? The pawn on h7? Oh my god. Okay. If I take that pawn, okay. He's just gonna take my stuff and take his rook, right? That's actually a good plan. And then you can check his king with the knight and then win the rook. Okay, he has actually played something very, very ugly, if I'm not mistaken. So that's a nice thing, by the way. Then I can have a discovered check on that. All right. This is protected. This is protected. What else? I don't want to leave anything hanging though. How about I just like how about I try to break this? I hate these doubled pawns here. So I'm thinking about getting rid of this so that I can now threaten this because I do not care about this. I can take back. But hey man, I don't know. I feel like if he takes here and I take back and he takes and I take and yeah. The plan is strong, right? All right, I think let me just go with that. Let me go with that. Oh, this is gonna be tough. Oh my god, this is a crazy plan. Oh my god, I just thought about it. Yo. Oh my god, this is a tough plan. Oh my god. So he's gonna lose his rook regardless. If he doesn't lose his rook, it's gonna be tossed. He might lose the queen instead. Alright. I think we have a nice plan now for sure. Discover check. Oh my god, this guy's toast. This guy's toast. This guy's toast. Okay, no, there's no way. There's no way for him to lose the queen. Okay, he's not gonna lose his queen for real. Um, he's not gonna lose his queen. Well, should I think I should just take the rook, right? He's gonna take my rook back, isn't it? And then this knight will be in trouble. And my knight is already in trouble though. Yeah, I don't know, bruh. Because he has like this guy has some crazy bro, this guy has some crazy gameplay to go though. Yeah, this guy has some crazy game. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Hmm. Now I have a few things that are like in trouble. If you, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm confused now. Here's the thing. Look at what's gonna happen, right? I'm gonna lose this pawn. If I don't lose this pawn, I might get checkmated. I'm on the verge of getting checkmated from here. Look at what I opened this queen to. No way, FBI, bro. You you got us cooked. FBI, you got us cooked. Oh my god. Yo, FBI, take the pawn with the rook. Oh, okay. My knight is like my biggest worry now. I'm not really worried about that. So here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. Right? Since my as you can see, my knight is here. I think the best move is to get my knight out of the way first. Yeah, the best thing is to just get my knight out of the way. I could consider taking this pawn, and then if it takes, I take, but then, yeah, I'm in big, big, big hot soup. Or, or maybe I take this with the rook, and then if it takes my knight, I just take back here, right? Good game. I think that's a good plan, though. If he checks me, I just come back with, or maybe I just block with the knight, or maybe just come back with the rook. Obviously, he cannot take, right? So nice. If it takes my knight, I take his knight. I'm still up a pawn, right? Very good. Very, very good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You it worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked for real. Yeah, and the king is very open though. That's something that we need to really look. I need to find okay. He's actually trading. He's trading now which is just crazy, right? How the hell do you want to trade uh your rook? Boy, the reason why he's trading the rook, I can see why this guy is trying to trade the rook, bro. I now see why he wants to trade the rook. Do you guys see why he wants to trade the rook? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see why he wants to trade the rook. This is the reason why he wants to trade the rook. He wants when he plays here, he wants to like get me in some checkmate issue. But I don't think so. I really don't think so because I can still take back here, right? Yeah, so I'm really not worried about that gameplay. So how about if I go here? No, how about if I just go here and let him just take that? Let him take the rook. Because obviously there's no way he can take the rook with the queen and have my pawn here. You know? Nice. Mm, good. He's gonna take with the queen. Damn. I didn't really calculate that. But taking with the queen, will it really change anything? No. It won't change a thing at all. Bro, I'm still up a pawn. Now, taking with the queen is not really bad, is it? Uh, hmm. Okay. Let me just play like that. Let me see what he has up his sleeve. Bro, if this guy plays anything dumb right now, he might lose the game. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this knight is really annoying. But I'm looking at something bigger. If I know he might try to get this pawn, right? And get me toasted. Yeah, if he takes this pawn though, I might get cooked. If he takes this pawn, let me see what he's gonna play next. He might go here, check. I can just block. He cannot checkmate me from here, which is good. Oh yeah, from here, but he might checkmate me from here. No, not really. Or maybe here and then checkmate me here. Yo, what in the hell? What? What's going on? Let me first see. Let me first see his plan. I don't have time, bro. Like this time thing always stresses me, bro. Oh my god, bro. All right. Oh no, I'm cooked, man. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. But I'm not really fully cooked though. I'm not really fully cooked. I think I still have. I thought I wanted to have like some check here and then some ideas, but now I have to. I don't know. He's not gonna lose anything. I'm gonna lose this game, bro. Okay, nice. Oh God, yeah, I've lost this game, bro. I've lost this game. I've lost this game, boys. Shit, 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 shit. I've lost the game, bro. Oh my God. Oh, boys, we had like a nice plan until I ruined it. Oh, actually, never mind. I think we might have some chances. We might have some chances. I really don't care, bro. All right, let me just go for a short call. Give me a sec. Boys, here's the thing though. There's a concept I want to try, right? There's a concept I want to try. Let's first do some review on this game and let's look at how we did. I feel like we really played poorly on this game, bro. But there's a concept I want to try. Is that as soon as we are up a pawn, we just need to start trading pieces. Okay, cool. They said I played like somebody 400 rated. These guys are very accurate. Okay, like he blundered. Oh, wait. What was I supposed to do? Check and take what pawn, which pawn? I'm confused. I'm totally confused. Oh, this was a miss. This was a miss. I should have gone. Oh, shit. I should have gone here. Because obviously he cannot take me with the pawn with the rook. Oh Jesus. Holy shit. You guys, you see, I was thinking of taking this pawn, but I really didn't think about it like that. I should have taken the rook instead. And that was terrible. I should have checked again. Yeah, I should have checked, bro. I should have checked here. Wait, I should have. What the hell? I should have checked here. And obviously, he cannot take with the queen, so he has to move somewhere. And then I finally take. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is a blunder, dog. Yeah, that was a big blunder. I don't know what I was thinking. I was already under pressure, bro. It is fine though. It's fine. So he said we should go with okay, no problem. Now here's the thing. This game I really want to think, boys. I really, really want to think. And the last thing I want is to go back to 600. So now we are in black. We are black. Black. I'm thinking about playing. I don't know, bro. Why are we playing somebody so low in elo like this? And if this guy beats us, we are cooked, bro. Go, bro. Play. God damn it. Shit, bro. What's up with these guys, man? We just abort this game. Okay, nice. Should we go with Scandinavian or maybe go with Karakan or Piak defense? Let's just go with Piak defense. Uh, Alright, I'm gonna go with Piak defense. And next thing, anything he plays, I'm just gonna go to G6. Okay, let's go to G6. Anything he plays, we go to G7 with the bishop. G6, G7, nice. All right, this pawn push doesn't really change anything. I want him to play with his put his knight here, and then yes, I start attacking him. So I want to go first here, and then go here. Soon as he puts his knight here, I pin his knight, and then I win his knight. Okay, nice. So he doesn't have any interest in playing there. I'm just gonna castle. He wants to castle king. I don't know. Is he gonna fall for the pin win here? If he falls for it, he's gonna be toast. So let's see. Okay, he didn't really play that. I don't know what the hell he's thinking, but that wasn't part of my plan. I just want to go here. Hmm. Let me first see what he's gonna play next. Hmm. Okay, he doesn't want me to go with my knight there, right? So yeah, that's kind of annoying. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of annoying. But if he wants to trade his knight for bishop, I can take it. I take it anytime. Yeah, let's go. Mm, okay, then I pin him. It still hasn't done any, like, you know. So I still played what I wanted to play, which is good, right? Now I need to look for ways to like apply pressure to his knight. So I think I can just nice. I like the way the fact that he has castled. So that means I think I can go here with the knight. And then soon as he removes anything is tossed. Yes, I can go here as well with the knight. Very good. Very, very good. Oh, maybe I should have taken here if it takes. No, 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 not really, not really. That was gonna. Yeah, this guy is starting to apply pressure. So here's what I'm gonna do, right? Let me see. I'm just gonna take here. I'm gonna take here, and then I'll just put my knight here. Because yes, he's probably gonna take with the queen, and then I'm just gonna go here. He cannot take from there, and this is gonna be check and expose um his king, right? But that's not the point. The point is that I need to find out how I'm going to protect my knight from here, which is very annoying. And I might have a discovered check on my head right now. Pushing pawns that are around his king gotta be the saddest thing ever. Let's see what's gonna happen. Where are we going from here, my boy? Let's see. Okay, he played some random move, which is just very annoying. So that being said, I think I can play some random move too, right? But this will lead to a discover check and then I might get toasted. Ah, which is crazy. So let me first go here and try to challenge this here. Chase this. If I'm able to chase this away, I can play here and just get my rook in the game as well. And all I have to do is just have a disco here and it's toss. No, he might. Okay, he's gonna take with the queen either way. So I really don't think it was gonna change anything. I don't know. I don't know, bro. Mm. So I want to find out how I can chase this away from my half of the board, and also at the same time, maybe push. If it takes a take back, and still my knight gets some good center. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, he's still pushing though, which is crazy. Let me just go here. Let me see what he has up his sleeve. Soon as he's not here, I push here. If he takes, I take back, but I have double pawns, which is stupid. I still have double pawns though. Shit. Ah man, this guy, if he pushes this pawn, okay, I feel like I could maybe just trade this. No, not. I shouldn't trade nothing. I shouldn't trade nothing. I just have to go here. Oh my god, that was a bad move. That was actually a terrible move. That was a very terrible move. That was a terrible move. Yo, that was a terrible move. It's not really a terrible move. I feel like I'm gonna let him take. If he takes this, I won't take back with my rook. I would like him to take here so that I can take back with the knight, and then he will expose his queen. I take his queen. I think he might take my queen as well, but mm, okay, I'm doing good so far. I actually I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing good, but let's see. See how I'm doing. Oh my god, boy is gonna get toasted. Hold on. Okay, he's still protecting this, right? But I have now some tempo on his queen. So the only thing that I'm afraid of, right, is if I play here check, he'll just take back with the queen instead of taking back with the pawn. And that's not what I want. So let me just leave this protected as is. And okay. I don't know, bro. I don't know how to go from here. I don't know how to go from here for real. So I think the only good move is to just I don't know because this The middle pawn. The middle pawn. I don't know. There is no way for me to take the middle pawn. Oh, from here, right? Nice. Nice, 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 nice. That's actually nice. Not really, not really. I want to push so that he takes with his so that he just puts his I mean if he takes it with this pawn it's even good for us, you know. Oh my god. That would have been a tough one, but it's fine. It's fine. I still got a free pawn though, which is crazy. Should I take with the pawn? This pawn is isolated, so let me just take with the pawn so the pawn can just start like also applying some pressure. So, I think this is a good idea. Oh my god. Did I just lose my knight? Okay. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. Let me go here, right? Move like deflect him away from here. If he doesn't go away from there, he's gonna be tossed. I swear to God. Either way, he's gonna lose his bishop and the knight or the queen. One of the two. So now he's up a rook, which is crazy though. It's actually crazy. But I feel like I'm still going to win that rook. Trust me. I have a feeling I'm still going to win his rook. Yes, I have a feeling I'm going to win his rook because now the rooks are going to be what? They're going to be fought. I have to. Here's what I was supposed to do. This is what I was supposed to do. I actually played badly, right? This is what I was supposed to do. I was actually supposed to just push this pawn, attack this queen, right? His queen will go away from there, and then I take this with it's going to be this. So, but it's fine. I think this is also cool. I think this is also cool. Mm, I don't know about this. Should I take this? Or I just take his? Which one should I take, bro? I think I should take this first, right? Or let me take with this so that I can have some protection on this. If it takes, I take. Nice. Added protection. But now nobody's protecting this pawn though, which is crazy. Yeah, you see that, bro? That was actually crazy. You see that? That was what I was thinking. Like this is literally what I was trying to do. Oh my god. Okay, either way, I was not going to be protected though. I'm going to lose my knight, dog. Alright, not bad. I've lost my knight though, but is he gonna take the knight with the queen? I doubt it. He's gonna take with the knight instead. Okay, yeah, that was the thing, boy. Let's see what is going to happen from here. I really don't know what this guy's gonna play, bro. He might cook me instead. Oh man, my brain is not braining. Trust me, bro. My brain is not braining. So let me first threaten his rook. Let me see what he's gonna do. Is he gonna allow me to take the rook? Or he's gonna take I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what he's gonna do. Let's see what he's gonna do. Boys, I have a tactic, man. I have a nice tactic. I'm gonna threaten checkmate. I'm gonna threaten checkmate. If he allows me his toast, he might play here. He might play here. He might try to attack me as well. Or maybe go. I think he's gonna play here to try to attack my queen. If he gets greedy and takes here, it's over. It's over. Have you guys seen like the checkmate thread? Is here. The checkmate thread is A7. A7 is threatening checkmate. Okay. He has decided to just give up his rook. I'm perfectly okay with it. I'm really perfectly okay with it. He's now just up a pawn. Well, I have a pawn that is in trouble, which is it's fine, man. Well, this guy is really cooking, bro. I need to just come back. I need to come back. Let me see something. I think, hold on, no, it's not checkmate. He can actually run from this side. Yeah, he can run from that side, man. Shit. So I just need to get back. All right, that was yeah, that was hmm, that was a little bit problematic, man. Yeah, this was a little bit problematic, man. Shit. It was a good move before this move of his. Before this move. This move, I was gonna get toasted, like toasted. So now he has lost. He has lost. He has lost his knight, which is something very good for us. There is nowhere here where he can go to protect the knight because if he goes here, I will still take the knight, and there's nothing he can do. If he goes here, I can take. If he goes here, I can still take. Here, maybe, but I can still take the knight though, right? With the queen. So yeah, the knight is on pressure though. He's 2 pawns up, but his knight is in trouble. So I don't mind it. I don't mind it, bro. Hmm. Let's see. Boy is thinking, bro. This guy is rated 600 something. If he beats me, bro, boys, I'm really gonna get cooked, man. I'm gonna get fried. Yo, Money Heist, my boy. Hey, bro, I just finished Money Heist today, man. Oh, that shit broke my heart, bro. It was cool though, but like, damn, why it had to end? Yeah. Wait, I need to take with the queen so that I can threaten the other rook too, right? Nice one. And then this kid, wait. What are you talking about? I need to take with, oh, I need to take with the rook instead. I need to take with this though. Yeah, I need to take with this because it's not, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. He's about to lose his 3 points. Well, I'm just gonna be up a pawn though. How are you doing? I'm doing great, my brother. I'm doing great. I'm just gonna be up 1 pawn, which is just mad annoying, right? I'm saying with your queen because not only will you threaten the rook, you protect your king from checkmate threats. Have you seen? Have you seen what he has played? Now, tell me what I need to take this with. So here's the thing. What this guy is calculating is that he's probably going to sacrifice the queens, right? So I'm gonna take with the rook instead. Mm, I'm gonna take with the rook. Now here's a reason why I'm saying I'm gonna take with the rook because The moment he plays here, check, and I take, and he takes, I'm just gonna move up, and from there I can just go here and threaten this. You feel me? Just threaten this. Ace up. So I'm up a pawn, which is very good. I don't know which other pawn is gonna take. Nothing. He might just go away from there. I know, right? Without my bishop, I'm toast. I swear to God, without my bishop, I'm toast. I can see it. That's the reason why the bishop is there. It's really like doing a lot of work. So you noticed it. Yeah, look at the time difference, bro. Look at the time difference. One move takes us 1 second, takes this guy 1 million seconds. You see, he decided to goddamn. Here's the thing. Now I'm thinking, if I go here, what is he gonna take with the queen or the rook? I think he's gonna take with the rook. I'm up a pawn. I'm okay with doing a queen trade. Don't you think so? I mean, I'm okay with trading material, and I'm gonna get toast. I was, I'm gonna say no. Oh my god. Anyways, let's see what he's cooking really, right? Let's see what he's cooking. Uh, all right. Let me try to threaten. I don't know what I can threaten here though. There's nothing, bro. There's nothing I can threaten. Maybe threaten to take this. What if I go? Okay, if I go h5 with the rook, am I going to lose anything? Let's see. If I go h5, he's and I take here is just gonna take, and I'm cooked. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. All right, now I don't know where to put my rook, bro. You know what? I'm gonna go here and put this right here. Yo, boys! Yo! What did I just play? Oh my god! Did you guys see it, bro? Did you guys see what I just missed? Oh my god! I just missed checkmate, man. Yo, this was a pure checkmate. Or not really checkmate, but I was. Oh shit! I was just gonna win his rook, bruh. I was just about to win his rook. The guy has seen it, man. This guy is a demon. Alright, it doesn't matter, bro. I'm gonna go here regardless. Uh, no, but I was not really going to, because if I had checked, he was just gonna take this back, right? If I took, he was just gonna take. And I don't know about our queen trade. I was still gonna be a piece up though, because he has. Yo. Okay, here's the thing. Here's the thing. Here's what I'm gonna do. Boom, rook here. What do you think? How about rook here? How about rook here, bro? Because now I'm threatening the queen. What do you think? He's gonna take an attack, and then he takes. I lose the rook. Hold on, what will I lose? Boom. Rook and a queen for just the queen. Yeah, that's a bad trade, right? For real, that was a terrible trade. I'm not gonna lie, boys. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. For real, bro. That was terrible. Let me see. Okay, this guy is starting to get on my nerves, bro. Like, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Look, this guy is starting to get on my nerves. So here's what I'm gonna do, bro. I'm just gonna go here and protect my bishop. You want me to protect this with the protecting the bishop with the pawn? I think that okay. Not really with the pawn. He can just okay. He cannot take the pawn with the queen though. Nice game. Nice, nice, nice. Oh my god, boys! I have it the same game I wanted to do. No, 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 no. Listen, listen, listen. Here's what I'm gonna do though. Here's what I'm gonna do. Next move, any move that he plays, any move really, I'm just gonna go check. If he goes down to protect it, I'm gonna take. Because obviously my bishop is there protecting this square, so he's not gonna. I got the game. I got the game, boys. All right. Now here's the thing. Here's the thing though, right? Check, check, check. If he protects with this, I don't know about that. Hmm. Right? Let me just check first. Let me first check. Isn't it? If you do queen b4, first you prepare a silent checkmate. But I'm going to lose my stuff though, right? What do you think? I don't want it to be a silent one because this is still going to be checkmate regardless. Notice what I'm threatening. Because right now, he doesn't have anything to play with, right? He might try. Okay. Okay, let's just go here. Let's see. That's fine. Blocking this. If he takes, holy shit, the boy is gonna get cooked. Munch on that phone, my bro. God. Oh God. Yo, Jesus. 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 It's at this moment where he realized his toes. I love this. I love this. I love this. Ah. Either suck his rook and queen or get checkmated. Either way, he's still gonna lose the game. He's still gonna lose the game. Either way. Oh my god, this was actually tough, bro. This was actually tough. This is actually tough, bro. He has resigned. Jesus. Oh my god, that was yeah. That was the game, bro. Hold on, I need to start thinking about this kind of moves. This was a game. This was actually the move that made it. Bro, tell me this move wasn't goated though. I feel like this C3, Bishop C3 was a goated move. This Bishop C3 was a goated move. Yeah, bro. Oh my god. I feel like all the moves were coordinated. Even from Rook here, I swear to God, man. That was like the best move. I'm not gonna lie. I have two great moves, bro. Nice, nice, nice. Wow. So we are at what now? Let me see. We are at yeah, 7-12, not bad. I'm thinking, should I change my approach? Should we go for like Italian game? Or we just maintain D4 opening? What do you guys think? I think I should maintain the D4 opening, right? Because I've been playing it a lot. What do you guys think? Yeah, let me just stick with my D4 opening. Let's go. Oh, what is this kind of opening? Okay. What is bro playing? Amir, we are playing chess, my brother. Okay. All I have to do is just go back in here. Nice. Hmm. I don't know what kind of game this guy is playing though. I'm just gonna castle here and just play. Amir, we are playing chess. That's the Hikaru opening. Okay, let's see. How is he? What's his rating? Uh, 700, and he's playing the Hikaru opening. I don't know if that's actually the Hikaru opening, but that's yeah, that opening sucks. That opening sucks. No, it's out. I need to get this bishop out. Okay. Mm, all right, this is starting to annoy me now. Seriously, bro. Bro, like, why did I even play this move? This dude is just pushing pawns everywhere, bro. Oh my god. Why is this guy just, bro? I don't know what the hell is going on. Yeah. I really need to find out what's going on here. Let me first see. Let me see him and his Hikaru opening. Yeah, this dude is just playing anything at this point. We're playing chess, man, Amir. Playing chess to just chill, to cool off. You came late, man. We've been coding since. Let's see. What next? What he didn't okay, he pushed a pawn. Uh I'm just gonna take this pawn. Nice. Should we go for a queen trade? Should I go for a queen trade? Not really. Yo, was this a good move? I think it was a good move. I think it was a good move. That was a goated move, bruh. Hold on. I need to. Oh my god, how can I apply more pressure to this guy? Okay, I think by going here. Yes, by going here, I can apply more pressure here. Oh, his queen will be cooked. Cooked. Have you guys seen it? Have you guys seen his queen getting toasted in a minute right now? Have you guys seen it? Wait. You said I have a discover check if you eat the pawn with the bishop. Which bishop? Not really. Here's the discover check that I have, right? Oh, he saw it coming. Dude saw that coming and he's like, I'm not going for any of that shit. Dude is like, I'm not going for any of that shit. Oh my god. Bruh, here's what I was planning to do. I was planning to check him here. How much are you paying for the domain, bro? I'm paying about $5 or $3 or something like that. But since there are two, I'm probably paying about five, something like that. Yeah. I need to actually sack the dark squared bishop. Now, here's the thing. Here's the thing. Let me just first try to go here and let's see what he has because he really doesn't have any good squares. So technically I'm not really like sucking anything. I'm not sucking anything here. Very good. I'm not sucking anything. He doesn't have any good squares at all. He has to go here. This is the only square he can go to right here. And then I have another. This is going to be checkmate. Yes, checkmate. He's done. He's cooked. He's toast. He should have let me take the queen, bro. He should have let me take the queen. This guy is done for. You see that? Now watch this, boys. Oh my goodness. We suck the rook. The rook. Okay. Here's the thing. What next? What next? What next are we sucking? Oh God. I need to threaten this guy somehow. Let me suck this knight as well. Hold on. Queen. Oh, queen actually here wins the game. Queen here wins the game. Am I lying? I think queen here wins the game. Cause he actually has this square to go to. I should have sucked. Oh my god, this was the best game. This one. Knight here was the best. Knight there was the best, bruh. But it's fine. I have another check here. Let's see what he has again. Oh my god, this guy's getting cooked. This guy's getting toasted, bruh. What else? What else? Can't have this. Bro, this guy is over. Oh shit. Why did I allow that? Oh my god, I should have checked with the bishop, but he was gonna take regardless. Oh, what the hell? What's going on with me, boys? Yeah, I don't have any more attacks again, bro. Oh Jesus, I've cooked. I've really like exhausted everything. Jesus. Shit, bro. Oh my god. He might move this, right? He might move this. I just take it. Oh God. He has to remove this from there. This pawn is the one very annoying. This pawn right here. It's just too annoying. How is he chilling in my half of the board, bro? This is starting to annoy me. Yeah. But let's first see. It could be a checkmate. Yeah, possibly. It will possibly be a checkmate. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know. Man, the game is getting a little bit hard, bro, because of his pawn, like this ugly pawn. Oh, now you see what he's doing. He has like a discover check on me, but will it really help? Yeah, dude is really cooking, bro. Let me just suck this knight. Let me just suck the knight, bro. Hmm. Oh, bro, what's going on with dude? What's going on with bro? Oh my god. Yeah, boys, I think I've reached the pinnacle. I really don't know what to play here, bro. Okay. I just didn't know what to play from there. This guy is still up material, man. He's like +6, bro. I've sucked almost every bro, what are you building? I'm building a URL shot now, bro. I should move my queen. Yeah, I moved my queen. Oh Lord. Shit. The guy has seen that, yo, if I don't trade the queens, I'm gonna remain tossed. So uh I'm forced to trade the queens, bro. Mm. Oh wait. Am I really forced? I think I am forced. I'm forced to trade the queens. Yeah. Mm. Brian, I wanna just remove my rook from here. That's the thing. Yeah, let me just protect my stuff from there, bro. Yeah, at least I can remove my knight though. At least I can remove my bishop from here. Holy shit, I cannot remove my bishop, bro. Ugh. Yeah, my bishop is still stuck. Good. Now I can find a way to get my rook in the game. Very good. Very good. Bro. Holy shit, man. This guy is tying me down, bro. Yeah, this guy is, oh my god, this guy is starting to just get under my, oh. Oh, we actually have a nice game. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, we actually have a nice game. Oh God. Holy shit, man. I don't know. I don't know, bro. I really don't know, bro. Shit. Bro, we might end up checkmating this guy if he's not serious. We might end up checkmating this guy, but not really, not really, not really. Yeah, 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 not really, bro. His knight is just mad annoying, bro. If okay, look, there is one move here, but there's move here though. So there's no checkmate, bro. I cannot checkmate this guy with only just. Uh, are you planning to do masters? Nah, nah, I'm not planning to do any masters, bro. Yeah, we must have missed a checkmate somewhere. Can't even lie to you, bro. All right. Oh, oh, wait. Oh, I thought I had some tactic here, but I don't really have any nice tactic, man. Shit. This bishop, yeah, this bishop is just so annoying, right? Even the knight itself is just annoying too. Oh God. All right, let me just try to get a draw, bro. Let me see if he'll accept me to get a draw. Well, this is protected, right? So let me check him here and see. This is starting to annoy me bad, bad. All right, man, that's it. That should do it, bro. Just annoyed, bro. Like there's nothing I can play at this point. Oh, okay. Hmm. Yeah, it's fine, bro. Like I'm done. Like it's nothing else I can play at this point. It's just over. Yeah, we've lost the game, boys. GG's. GG's, bro. We've lost the game, and this game is just annoyingly long. With some game where we're having issues, I'm just gonna resign. There is nothing I can do now to save this game. Uh, after graduating Rwanda, actually, I don't know. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know. I really don't know, bro. Like I feel like when I finish from here, oh, I actually have a nice plan. From here, I'm planning to go to Kenya. So from Kenya, that's when I'll see what's up from there. Yeah, from there I'll just see what's up. Like, really. All right. Let's call it Let's just play the last game. We'll call it a day. Really, I don't know, bro. Like the 15 minutes thing just gets me like annoyingly. Like it just gets me annoying, guys, bro. I swear to God. So let me just stick with the 10 minutes. Well, I like the 15 minutes thing. You get to think a lot is good. But I feel like it's more serious, guys, that you play with the 10 minutes stuff compared to like the 15 minutes, bro. Let's just see. Let's play one more game and call it a day. Right? Let's just go continue with our opening D4. Okay. I think he's trying to play Karokan, but for some reason he's like, yo, this is different. Why doesn't it look like Karokan? I'm planning to go to Kenya, bro. I just want to live in Kenya now. From there we shall see, how everything goes. But yeah, that's literally it. How about you? After India, what next? Let's see. Red jam jam. Let's go red jam jam. All right. Take. I'm not worried about that. Let him take. Mm, Actually, I'm gonna take with the queen. Um, for me, after graduating, I have plans of going to Kuwait. I'm promised a job opportunity there. You better earn Kuwait. Is it Kuwaiti dinars or something? All right, boys. I don't know what the hell this guy is thinking, but this guy doesn't know what is awaiting him. He's definitely not aware. Yeah, I know the dinar currency. I think the strongest currency so far. Look at what this guy has played, bro. Is this guy okay? Now look at how many things I'm going to win in return, right? One is that he has blundered this. But two, I can take this with check if I'm not mistaken, right? So, he has blundered first a piece. But there is double check though. This might lead to checkmate. Yo, this is gonna be checkmate, boys. Can you guys see it? God. Yo, have you guys seen it? Oh no. Oh no, is this guy not done for? Is this guy not done for? What in the world is he gonna play now? Okay, the only thing is, okay, he has tried to save that though, but is it gonna change anything? Because I'm just gonna take it, right? I don't know if it's gonna change anything. All right, he tried to stop the checkmate though. He tried to stop the checkmate. That was a nice game. I think he saw. Yeah, and I even won. He resigned. I think dude is like, no way, bro. My boy said, great. Don't go back to South. Yeah, bro, South Sudan. Come on, bro. What? That place is like, that place. It needs to develop by itself without me there. I'll just come to invest. That country is done, bro. That country is cooked. Let's work after graduation. Oh, okay. Yeah, for sure. We shall see. We shall see after that. I really need to lock in and just make money and just maybe just invest back home and build like real estate stuff, maybe run markets, maybe companies and software companies and so like that's just my plans. And God willing, I hope it all falls in place. Only thing is probably move the pod. Yeah, he did it. And yeah, see the ring. Yeah, for sure. But he resigned. He's like, yo, I've had enough. All right, boys, let's be greedy and play one more game, should we? Or we should call it a night. I think we should probably call it a night. It's been 2 hours now. So, I mean, 3 hours. So, that's going to do it, my boys, for today's stream. Back, we are back with streaming. Our internet is good. Everything is good. Our application's up and running. So, yeah, let's call it a night, my boys. I'm going to catch y'all tomorrow, man. You get it tomorrow after uni, because I have uni tomorrow. I have group work, literally, on embedded system. Embedded system. Arduino and all of that shit. All right, man. Amir Philp, man. So much love, my boy FBI. See y'all guys tomorrow. I hope you guys will all wake up in peace. Thanks. Let's go.